Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert checkbox or how to add checkbox in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and now you want to add checkbox anywhere, here you will see I want to enter checkbox in all these cells. So what I have to do, here you have to just click on this arrow. Okay, then go to more commands, then here you will see ribbon option. Okay, this is the ribbon option, and then here you will see developer option. Now click on this developer option and click on save. Okay, now cut it, then here you will see a new ribbon is add. Okay, new option is add in the ribbon. Click on it and here you will see checkbox option. Now click on this and then click on the box where you want to insert that checkbox. Okay, then you can customize it. Okay, you can move it like this. Now you can edit it. Okay, you can also change the shape format. Here you will see shape format. You can change the shape, color. Okay, so like this you can insert checkbox in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.